Hello, this is Captain Drew Cavanaugh with Florida Inshore Fishing Charters, Mosquito Lagoon Site Fishing Charters, and Florida Nearshore Fishing Charters located here in East Central Florida. It is November 2018, and today I'm going to do a quick video on how to properly flush an outboard. We're going to mainly talk about Yamaha outboards here. This here engine in front of me is a 2016 Yamaha 115 LB. It comes with two flush ports. You have a top flush port, which is right here, and then you can hook headphones up down here and water run it. The last video I did, I got more comments than I could handle about people saying, oh, you're not supposed to hook the top hose up and run the engine. You're not supposed to use the bottom hose and the top hose and run the engine. So I figured what I'll do is I'm going to solve this myth right now, and the bottom line is this. You can hook a hose up here and not run the engine, or do not run the engine. You can hook a hose up here, put the headphones on down here with the hose running, water running here, water running there, and you can 100% go to your ignition, turn the key on, and let it run. Water running here, water running down there on the headphones. This outboard will run just as if you were floating on a lake. So the proper way to do this is, the first thing that we're going to do is we're going to let this thing run for 10 minutes probably in this video. It's going to run for about 20 minutes. I'm going to edit some of it. The video is going to be short. So the first thing that you're going to want to do is we're going to want to hook up the headphones. I call them headphones, right down here to the bottom flush port. We're going to then take this hose right here. We're going to unscrew this, put this into there. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to turn on this hose, and I'm going to turn on this bottom hose. We're going to get the water running because I just got off the water from doing a charter. The engine's a little warm. I want to let that water run for a few minutes before I start it up and let it get going here. So let me turn on the hoses real quick. Now this video, like I said, is mostly for Yamaha outboards. I'm not 100% sure if Mercury, Evinrude, Johnson has that top flush port, but since day one of this boat, my other boat, in the other video that I made, it was a 50 horsepower Yamaha 2006 outboard. I did the same thing. I run two hoses, run the engine, and it worked just great. The reason why you want to do the top hose and the bottom hose at the same time, you get a better flush. It just puts more water through the engine, opens the thermostat, instead of just doing the top flush port and not turning the hose on. You just want that engine to heat up and get all the water circulated, especially when you use it in salt water. As you can clearly see, water's coming out of the pee hole here from the top port. I'm going to turn this on, and you're going to watch it run for a few minutes. Okay, as you can clearly see, the outboard is running just fine, no issues, and I'm going to let it run for a few minutes. Okay, as you can clearly see, water's coming out of here. Top hose is running with water, bottom hose is running with water. The outboard is turned on. It's right now idling at about 700 RPMs. I'm going to let it run for about 10-15 minutes. I'm going to flush all the salt water out of my engine. I was just out on the lagoon on a charter, and we'll shut it off and we'll go from there and we'll see what happens. So let's let it run for a few minutes. Okay, so my outboard's been running for about, I don't know, 12-15 minutes now. I'm getting ready to turn it off. And as you can see, it's still going. No alarm's gone off. It hasn't overheated. No problems. And I'm not sure what else to say, but other than you can run a bottom hose and a top hose at the same time and turn your engine on and have no issues at all. As you can see, it's got a good flow going. It is running perfectly. I've been doing this on this engine, my other engine, and every other Yamaha I've had. And anybody got any questions or anything, please leave a comment, and please subscribe to my channel. You can email me if you need to, and I'll be more than happy to help you out. I want everybody to have a good holiday season and a happy new year, and I wish everybody the best. And this is Captain Drew Cavanaugh saying everybody have a great day. Thank you.